Hi, do you want to install air conditioning in your home or upgrade your existing system and can't decide which one to choose? Don't worry, we'll help you find the best option for you. There are different types of air conditioners for different spaces, so it is essential that you know what's available. Take note. Single split, the most popular because of its easy installation. One indoor unit plus one outdoor unit, perfect to condition one space. Multi-split, perfect for households with multiple spaces that require climate control but connected to just one outdoor unit. Cassette type, installed in ceilings, normally in the center of the room and ideal for workplaces, public spaces, and also large residential spaces. Ducted air conditioning, integrates more subtly into buildings, making it more popular with new builds. It allows homeowners to control climate of an entire house. Floor-mounted console, for rooms where walls have limited space. Remember, the ideal unit should also include features that guarantee optimal performance and complete comfort. Let's check them out. Different modes to customize your unit's performance. A remote control for easier use, or apps that turn your phone into a smart remote control. Specialized filters to purify air and improve its quality. Energy-efficient operation, better for your wallet and the environment. Ease of maintenance and self-cleaning features to ensure your comfort and the longevity of your equipment. One last thing, do you know the difference between a fixed speed and an inverter air conditioner? Well, it's a question of just that, speed. The fixed speed system uses a single speed motor that turns off when the desired temperature is reached. Then, it turns back on when the temperature changes. Inverter systems vary the speed of the compressor motor, automatically adjusting operation to offer a consistent, comfortable temperature without stopping or starting. Useful to keep in mind when deciding which air conditioner is right for you. Now that you know what to look for, you'll be able to select your air conditioner like an expert. Are you ready?